Welcome back mga ka-insights for this new video. Squaring numbers 1 to 1000 in your head. So if you're new to our channel at hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And you can always leave your comment after this video. Okay, so squaring numbers 1 to 1000 in your head. In my last video, um, we talked about the square of two-digit numbers and the process, which is you can say the method on how to get the squares of the two-digit numbers. So we're going to square the first digit, the tenth digit that is written in two-digit form, and also the ones digit, and then you're going to add the product of 2ab, the twice the product of the two digits. So that is 2 times 9, 18 times 2 is 36, and then you can get the square. We have the process. So if you are interested about this video, so you can visit my other video, okay? And um, I included the link in the description below. So just if you're interested, you can visit my other video. Okay, so how about the square of three-digit numbers? So like for example, 423 squared. Did you get it? Okay, very good. So we have the square of 423 is 178,929. But how can we do the computation in our head? What will be the process or the faster and the simpler process to compute in our head? So we have, okay, so the rule is to square the each digit. So first we're going to square number 4, the hundreds digit, and then we're going to square the tens digit, which is 2. 2 squared is 4, and always remember to write the result or the square in two-digit form. And then square of 3 is 9, written as 09. And then the additional process, okay, different from the two-digit numbers, we're going to have the product of 4 and 2 times 2. So that is 4 times 2, 8 times 2 is 16. And then the next is to multiply 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 times 2. So that is 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, so just follow the process. Then the next is to multiply the hundreds and the ones digits. So times 2. So 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. Then this time you can get the sum. Okay, we have bring down 9, then 2, 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is 9, and 6 plus 2 is 8, and 6 plus 1 is 7. Bring down 1. Okay, so we have the answer. So the square of 423 is 178,929. Okay, so uh, it's easy. So you can do the computation in your head if you master the process. So from time to time, so you can do the process in your head. So let's have another example in order to understand better the concept. So another example, the square of 538. So same process, we're going to square each digit, and then we're going to write the results as two-digit numbers. Okay, so don't forget the rule. So square of 5, that is 25. Square of 3 is 9. written as 09 as a two-digit number. And then square of 8 is 64. Then the next process, multiply 5 and 3 times 2. Okay, so don't forget the process. So that is 5 times 3, 15 times 2 is 30. And then multiply 3 and 8 times 2. 3 times 8 times 2, that's 48. And then multiply 5 and 8. So 5 times 8 times 2. So 5 times 8 is 40 times 2, that is 80. And then perform the sum. Okay, so we have to bring down 4. And then 6 plus 8 is 14. That is 4. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 4 is 14. That is 4. Carry 1 also. 1 plus 8, that is 9. And then 5 plus 3 is 8. And then bring down 2. So we have the square of 538, which is 289,444. Right? So did you get the process? Okay, so don't worry. From time to time, you can able to master the concept. Okay, just uh, practice squaring numbers in your head. Another example, we have the square of 617. So same process, we're going to square 6, that is 36, and square of 1, that is 1, written as two-digit number, that is 01. Square of 7 is 49, and then 6 times 1, 6 plus times 2, that is 12, and then 1 times 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, then you're going to multiply 6 and 7 times 2. So 6 and 7, that is 42, times 2 is 84. So get the sum. So we have bring down 9, and 4 and 4, that is 8. 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is 6, and 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry 1. So 1 plus 6 plus 1, that is 8, and then bring down 3. Okay? So we have the square of 617, 380,689. Okay? So another example, let's have another example. We have the square of 706. So what would be the square of 706? Alright, so we have a square of 7, that is 49. Square of 0, so that is 00, written as two-digit form. Okay? And then the square of 6 is 36. Then the next step is to multiply 7 and 0 times 2, that is 0, still 0. And multiply 0 and 6 times 2, also 0. And then multiply 7 and 6 times 2, which is 84. Now we have the answer. We have bring down 6, and then 3 plus 0, that is 3, and then 4, 8, 9, and bring down 4. Okay, so the square of 706 is 498,436. Okay, so what are your observations? So about the square of a number, if ever the the middle digit is 0. Any observations from this example? Yes, very good. So if ever the middle digit is 0, so we can shorten the process. So we can able to skip the second process, the second layer of this process. Okay, so we can direct to the third step. Okay, since 00 naman ang results, so we can do that. So like for example, another example in which the middle digit is 0. The square of 804. So we have the square of 8 is 64. So instead of performing the usual process, so this time we're going to do the shortcut. Okay, the so we're going to multiply 8 and 4 first times 2, and will be inserted in the middle. So that is 8 times 4 times 2 is 64. Then next, to multiply the at the square of 4, so that is 16. Therefore, the square of 804 is 646,416. Okay, so we have a shorter process compared earlier. So this is the new process if ever the middle digit is 0. Since we can shorten the process, 0 naman ang results sa yung second step. Okay? Another example. Let's have another example. So the square of 902. Okay, so square of 9, so that is 81. And then proceed to the product of 9 and 2, twice the product of 9 and 2. So that is the third step. So 9 times 2 is 18 times 2. We have 36. And the square of 2 written as two-digit form. In two-digit form, that is 0, 4. Okay? So the square of 902 is 813,604. So did you get it, mga ka-insights? Okay, so dali ra kay tanan pag pangita sa squares of three-digit numbers, especially if the middle digit is 0. So another example, so we have 509. Okay, so same process. We're going to square the first digit, the hundreds digit. So the square of 5 is 25. Now proceed to the product of 5 and 9 times 2. So 5 times 9 is 45 times 2, that is, okay, so 90. And then the square of 9 is 81. So you have the square of 509, 259,081. Okay, so it's easy, right? Now let's have another example. What if we have a three digits results in the process? Okay, if you have observed that most of the examples that I have given, the results are two digits only. So how about if we have three-digit results in the process? So in the second step or in the third step, just like for example, the number, the square of 758. Okay, so just like this one, the square of 7 is 49. The square of 5, we have 25, and the square of 8 is 64. So perform the second step. You're going to multiply 7 and 5, 35 times 2, that is 70. And then 5 and 8 times 2, 80. And then you're going to multiply 7 and 8. 7 and 8 is 112 times 2. 7 times 8 times 2, that is 56 times 2 is 112. Okay, so we have a three-digit result. Okay, so just always remember the position of the ones digit of the result in the earlier examples. Okay, so do not change the position of the ones digit in the result, just like in the two-digit results. So always follow the location of the ones digit. So we have our we're going to have the adjustment to the left of the numbers. Okay, So that is the way if ever we have a three-digit result in our in the process. So do not try it number two um, below zero. So we have just remember the position of the results in the earlier examples in the two-digit results. So we have same process. Get the sum. We have 4, 6 and 0, that is 6, and 5 plus 8, that is 13, plus 2, that is 15, carry 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4, 9 plus 7 plus 1, that is 17, so 7 carry 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. So the square of 758 is 574,564. Alright? Okay, so what if the results in the second step, this line, has three digits, or if ever the results in the second step, the results in the second step are three digits, the result of this one and this one, and also in the third step. Okay, so what will be the position of the three digit results? So how to write the three digit results? Okay, so just remember the position of the ones digit. Okay, so just always remember the position of the ones digit. So dili ni siya mausab. We can only have our adjustment to the left of the number. So the position of the ones digit will be the same. Okay, so just like this one, the square of 699. So the square of 699, the square of 6 is 36, square of 9 81, and we have the square of the other 9 is 81. So 6 times 9, the second process, 6 times 9 times 2, so that is 108. And 9 times 9 times 2, so we have 162. So 9 times 9 is 81 times 2, that is 162. So we have three-digit results in the second line. Now observe the position of the ones digit. So this is very important to observe the position. So the position of the ones digit will not change. We only have the adjustment of the digits to the left of the number. Okay, so that is the important rule if ever we have three-digit results in the process. So always follow the position of the ones digit in the two-digit results. Okay, so this time we have an overlapping numbers in the second step, number 8 and number 1, and as you can observe, we have a digit for the hundreds place below the number 3. So we have the adjustment to the left of the number, but the position of the ones place will be the same. Also, um, to this one. Okay. Now for the third step, we're going to multiply 6 and 9 times 2. That is the same. That is 108. 6 times 9 is 54 times 2 is 108. Okay. So still the position of the ones place if in the two-digit results will be the same if ever we have three-digit results. Okay, so we have the position of the ones digit under the third third digit of the first line. Third digit from the right. So we have 1, 8 and 1. So muna iyang position dira. Then get the sum. So bring down 1, 8 and 2, that is 10. So 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 6 is 8. Plus 8, that is 16 carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. So plus 9, that is 18. 8 carry 1. So 1 plus 6, 7 plus 1, that is 8 also. And 3 plus 1, that is 4. So we have the square of 699. 488,601. So another example for uh, this kind of results, three-digit results, we have the square of 897. Okay, so same process. The square of 8 is 64, square of 9, 81, and the square of 7 is 49. So multiply uh, 8 and 9. So that is 8 times 9 is um, 72. So times 2, that is 144. And then multiply 9 and 7, that is 63. 63 times 2, we have 126. Okay, then multiply 8 and 7. 8 times 7, that is 56 times 2, so we have 112. Okay, get the sum, we have 9, then 4 and 6, that is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, and then 8 plus 4, 12, plus 1 plus 1, that is 14, carry 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 1, that is 10, so 0 carry 1, 1 plus 6 plus 1, that is 8. Okay, so the square of 897 is 804,609. All right, so it's easy to square three-digit numbers even up to 1,000. So from time to time, we can able to master this concept or this process if we have a consistent practice using this process. Okay, so I'll give you these items, mga insights, so you can practice applying the concept or the process. We have the square of 364, the square of 807, and the square of 977. Okay, so feel free to type your answers in the comment section. So you can always leave your comment in the comment section. Okay, so just type your answers in the comment section, mga insights. And um, for now, that's all for now. So thank you for watching this video. So if you learned something about this video, if you like this video, so please click the like button, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, mga ka-insights. So please support my channel by subscribing to my channel, to our channel, and you can always leave a comment. Okay? So thank you and bye bye.